Hi guys, in the screen recording I'll show you how to copy the blog post content and obviously organize it from WordPress to Shopify. So here in Shopify you have to click on online store and then click on blog posts below, and then to add new blog post you just click on this button, add blog post, and then you've got the title field and the body field. So obviously you put all the blog content here. So I'm going to copy the title from here and then paste it here. Then select visible, so the blog post is visible, and then obviously copy first paragraph. I like to paste within the code so all the styling code is not moved to the to the new site. Okay, and now I'll just add paragraph codes. So the styling is fresh, so obviously it follows your theme styling. So the same font won't be applied, the same font from WordPress or styling won't be applied to your Shopify site, but it will follow the default styling. So now adding image. So I already saved this image to my computer. I'm going to put the pointer here and click on the insert image icon. Then upload file and find this image. I think this one was first. Then select it, then specify the the size. I think because it's full width, we can definitely go for either grand or this one. And then obviously image alt text. So you can I'll just put the title of the blog post as an alt tag. Obviously you can set it so it describes each image, and then click insert image. And what I like to do is highlight this image again, click on this icon again, and then make sure that the align is in the middle and that there is comfortable border at the top and the bottom, so the text doesn't display directly up or by the image. And then the second paragraph I'm going to copy and paste in the image. So scroll down below, or rather go to the code, through the code. It's going to start with paragraph, paste, closing paragraph. Okay, that's how it looks. And then the third image below. So I think this is the, I'm not sure what is going. Okay, but because the image is quite wide. Okay, and then insert a second image. Upload file, and then select the middle image, this. Again, the same way, so alt tag the width, the same as the previous one. Insert image. And then highlight again, click on this image icon, and then put the middle center layout, 25 top and bottom borders, and then click on edit image. And then add the last part, the last paragraph below this image. Copy and paste within the source code. And this is the closing image and signature. And then, so the last image. This one. The very simple inclusion. Okay, and then make sure to change the layout of the image, add borders as well, top and bottom, 25 is sufficient. Okay, and then at the very bottom again, the signature. So this is it. You can, I'm not sure how is the styling of this blog post. I'll just save it for now. But depending on the template of the blog, you should be able to feature this image at the top, but obviously it depends on the template. So let me just check. So the featured image. You can add tags as well. Which tags have you got? Back pain, big boobs, bloom brass. Body inclusivity, problem, curly positivity. Inclusivity, problem, curly. And I think you should be able to add a signature as well. The bio as here. Or obviously it will probably have to be coded within each blog post. You can do it as a blog code probably. And then add those icons manually as well. Blog code. Okay. Probably can edit the about to add headings. H2 is a signature. You can add hashtags to those ones if you wanted. H2. This particular website template for some reason adds different styling to H2 and H3 tags. Okay, and obviously if you wanted to make the content shoppable, you can add the bloom brass linked to the homepage or to the collection. You can make the blog post more readable by adding frequent paragraph breaks, and obviously I think you mentioned that you wanted to add like button to shop. So probably you can insert the button as an image in the middle, either at the bottom of the page or right above the about section, and then link to the product page. So I'm just going to save. Obviously the meta title, meta description can also be updated. If your blog page will feature excerpt, you can specify which excerpt, otherwise it will be like the first part of the blog post. So if it will be displayed on the page, it's best to specify it here. Okay, so I'm going to view it now on the Shopify page and I'll see how it looks. Okay, so the featured image is not displayed by this template, but I think it looks good. So the full width image, center location, obviously those borders look very nice. So we've got H2 tag, call to action, got signature as well, and the about section. So you can edit each new blog post the same way, and obviously then specify the meta title, meta description here below. I hope it helps. Let me know if you've got any questions. Thank you so much. Bye.